Welcome to Research Talks. In this video, we will see if you are looking convert your text data as a speech format and very natural way. PopPop AI introducing TTSFree.ai. This is the software. Using the software, you can very easily convert any types of text data to speech format, and you can convert your data as using different several libraries they are introducing as well. So in this video we will see how to download, how to use, and how we receive this text data to speech format. Let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, just open Google, PopPop AI. The first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. Free AI text to speech synthesis online generator, no limit, import any files, try to Mac TTS app for 14 days is absolutely free. Such libraries are available. I play here.
There are four gas giant planets in the solar system. Jupiter. There are four gas giant.
Such voices are available. Using those voices, convert your text data as a speech format very easily. Try for free. Apple Silicon or Intel. Apple Silicon. I have M1. If you click here, the software size is very small. Click twice and just simply drag and drop here. After successfully installation is completed, you just simply click and here the open this framework of the software. Just simply first time you need to configuration point of view download some of the packages and models. So here the two types of model is available. Model 1 is like QWEN3-TTS 0.6 billion parameters, and the size of the model is a 2.05 GB, and second model 1 is 1.7 billion parameters. This model size is around 5 to 6 GB. Download this package in my Mac system. Hugging Face and Model Scope, two sources are available. I select here Hugging Face, and after complete this configuration you just simply click here. So first time, this is the framework of the software I have in a pro version. This side is a task project libraries. It means the software are introducing such a voices. The voices coming from different languages also, like English, French, Dutch, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, and some Mandarin languages are available. I just simply play here one voice.
In the grand scheme of things, we are but specks in the vast universe.
So such a voices you are receiving after convert your text data. So here some child voice is also available.
In the grand scheme of things, we are but small specks in the vast universe.
And those voices related on different countries also, like this English comes in Canada, US, Australian English, US English, Australian English, and Indian English as well.
In the grand scheme of things, we are but small specks.
So we just simply click here in the project. Please select the particular location of project. So I just simply say here in the download folder and the open. Afterward, I will show you two different types of output here. First one, you can direct upload one PDF as well, and second one as a paragraph voice. So here click new one, and I just simply type here the project name is a demo RR. So here the voices, here we need to paste here some of the text. So I just simply open here my medium block, and inside the medium block I just simply use one paragraph, one by one paragraph, put it here, and I use second paragraph. If I want change the different voice, so I just simply select here the different voice as well.
In the grand scheme of things,
Like this voice coming from here, copy here, second paragraph, again add one paragraph. If I want change the voice, I can change the voice as well, like a third number voice. You can use one voice as well. As a demo point of view, I just simply explain to you. Again paragraph 3, again I want change the voice, so select this one. I need paragraph, this one, again one more paragraph. Again I need to change voice, so I can 1 2 3 4 5, I need one more paragraph, and I change the voice as well. So here I added here 10 different paragraphs as well. I change here each paragraph as a different voice as well. You can select one voice continuously in all paragraph, but as a demo point of view, I select these different voices as well. And after complete this paragraph, I won't generate like this text data as a speech format in one time. Just simply click here in the bottom of the screen, generate files, and here generate all of them. Simply click here, and the processing is going on here 0/10 because of I have 10 paragraphs. So here first on one by one complete this process. like paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to spend here a couple of minutes to complete this entire process, and afterward let's see which types of voice we are receiving. Completed, successfully done. I just simply play here.
Mobile device management, MDM, is commonly used by companies, schools, and organizations to remotely manage and secure iPhones and iPads.
Second is completed. Look at this voice.
Through MDM, administrators can control device settings, install apps, restrict features, and monitor usage. Problem for users who purchase a second-hand device or who are no longer part of the organization that originally managed the phone.
Different voice.
In such cases, many people want to remove the MDM profile and regain full control of their device.
Such voices we are receiving here. Almost process is completed around 90%. So look at this here, 10 paragraph is completed here. So where we found this voice is downloaded or recorded, and where we found this data, it's very easy. Just simply open here, as we already created one folder in download section. So look at this here, demo rr, this project name, and here the 10 paragraph is save. Look at this here.
Mobile device
Paragraph
management,
number 1.
MDM, is commonly used by companies and organizations to remotely manage and secure iPhones and iPads.
And paragraph number 10.
However, this method only works if you have the administrator credentials. If the password is unavailable, you may need to try other methods.
It's easy. So accordingly you should convert entire data as a speech format, and using different library voices are available here, system voices. So you can select one of them, select your favorite language, and very easily convert. You can upload here the data as well. I just simply select here the PDF file as I created here in the demo section. I upload here PDF file. So look at this, the PDF automatically convert in different paragraph, and one voice is here. And if I say here generate all, so the PDF is generating, starting the same data store in the same location, which location you provided as initially. Wait couple of seconds to complete this entire process. Same thing you should upload here, the like a text data, MD data, PDF, docs, EPUB, PPT, subtitle, HTML, script, and other extension related files as well. In this video I explained two types of one. You can just simply use your sample text, provide as a paragraph voice, and generate voices. No matter how many paragraph you can add, and you select those voices here in the system voices. Multiple voices is available. Which voice you are using, accordingly you should select. The first paragraph.
In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, large language models, LLMs, have emerged as
This is the voice is English but Spanish accent.
these sophisticated systems, such as OpenAI's GPT-3,
Andreana.
have demonstrated remarkable capabilities, from generating coherent text.
First time I spent couple of minutes more extra, but now the model are working so fast. If you use every day step-by-step process like this, so your model are converting
Whether
text
you're a curious
very
beginner
fast
eager
way
to grasp
for this transaction. So this is the simple software to understand and convert text data to speech format. If you want purchase this software as a premium one, so here some of the prices are available: month, year, and lifetime subscription as well. So this is the simple way you can very easily convert text data to speech format. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.